Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a no contact reading for all the Aquarius Sun Moon Venus rising from 27th of January till the 2nd of Feb. The roles can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can start your journey by purchasing my course, link is in description. For personal readings and healing sessions, links are given below, and for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. So let's start, Aquarius. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Devil, the Two of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. Wow, this person is, Aquarius, certainly confused between you and somebody else. Somebody else or something else. It's like, but they still give it the name of, I still have emotions for Aquarius. Even if they're connected to somebody else or something else also, that they're highly attached to. It's like in a very maybe toxic manner. They still consider this situation as having feelings for you, you know, and it's not healthy at all. It's like, I love you even if I have somebody by my side that I am very much attached to, and I can't leave them or can't leave that situation or that toxicity or negativity or addiction. But I have feelings for you, Aquarius. This is what this person is feeling right now. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. See, they want to talk it out with you. They want to come forward towards you and offer you something stable, and they want to reveal the emotions that they have for you, because whatever they're carrying inside of them, it's weighing them down. So this person definitely wants to talk to you. They definitely want to be vulnerable in front of you, and they definitely want to offer you something stable once they will be able to express themselves completely to you, fully to you, because it's weighing them down to the level of not being able to sleep at night. It's stressing the hell out of them that they are not able to express you what they are going through, what they are feeling. And then after expressing whatever they are going through, they want to offer you something stable. Now I don't know what that means. Maybe just a friendship kind of a deal or something, I don't know. But they want to express their feelings to you, and they just want to offer you something on something stable. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 2nd of Feb, honey. Let's see. We have the Hermit, the Justice, the Four of Pentacles. No action whatsoever from this person's side. They are thinking a lot about it with all of their wisdom and knowledge and experience and whatever they have gone through in their life, in their love and relationship area. And according to that experience and wisdom and knowledge, this is the right thing to do, to not to say or not to speak up at all in this situation. It's like they want to carry with the no contact because they think this is the right thing to do and this is the justice. So they are doing the right thing, but by doing nothing about it. And I don't know why am I fumbling like this. Anyways, for you, the guidance is the Tower. See, the Tower is hitting you like, this is the, I think, 5th, 6th time I'm seeing the Tower in your readings, Aquarius, in the last 5-6 months. You have to, wow, scared the shit out of me. Yeah. So you have to be with the reality. You have to be in this reality of the situation. No illusion, no delusion, no if, no but, nothing. The reality of the situation for what it is. You have to consider that and live with that reality, because it might be hurtful for you to live in this reality, but this is the truth that's going to make you go to the next level of your life. Sorry, but not sorry, honey. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.